How to submit a ticket on Gcash. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now I am inside the official Gcash website right here, which is the help.gcash.com. Basically, you can go ahead and do this on your mobile devices or your Windows computer. Basically, once inside this page, you can just go ahead and click on the bottom of your screen that says chat with Gigi. Now once inside this specific chat box right here, you can just go ahead and type submit a ticket, and from here Gigi will respond with if you want an agent to attend to your concern, you may submit a ticket by clicking and filling out this ticket form. Go ahead and click on submit a ticket and this window will show up. Now from here you then have to go ahead and enter your email address, registered Gcash full name, your number right here, mobile number, concern category, and more. Right after filling out the necessary information, you can just go ahead and click on submit and you should be good to go. You have managed to submit a ticket on Gcash. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.